we will solve another word problem on the applications of HCF. What is the greatest number that divides 867 and 255 without leaving any remainder? Hint: if the question asks for the greatest, largest, maximum, or highest number that divides all the given numbers exactly, then we need to find the HCF. Let us find the HCF of 867 and 255 using the fastest method, that is Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 867 by 255, we get 3 as the quotient and 102 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 102 becomes the new divisor and 255 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 255 by 102, we get 2 as the quotient and 51 as the remainder. Since the remainder is not 0, repeat step 2. In this case, 51 becomes the new divisor and 102 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 102 by 51, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. So, the greatest number that divides both 867 and 255 without leaving any remainder is 51. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky questions on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist. Thank you.